Find the sum of interior angles of a 12-sided polygon. Yesterday we have studied how to find the sum of interior angle. What is the formula? Find the sum of interior angle. Formula is n minus
N
and
minus 2
2
into
into
180.
180.
Very good, very good. So here it is a 12-sided polygon means 12 minus
12 minus 2.
into 180 degree. 12 minus 2 is 10. So 10 into 180 degree, that is equal to 1800 degree. Correct? That's okay. They didn't ask you to find separate each interior angle, nothing they told. So this much only is enough. Finished. Next.
Ma'am.
Find the angle, measure x in the following figures. When you get a figure to find the x, okay, you want to first count how many sides or how many angles are there in the figure. So if
5
you
sides.
can understand, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 angles we have, and here 1, 2, 3,
4.
4 only, not 5. See, that's why I asked you to
540 degree. Ma'am.
okay, be quiet. No, ma. See, Adan, you are telling wrong. Please listen. See, how many sides I have? 1, 2,
2.
3, 4. Only 4
Oh,
sides.
sorry.
Ah, I don't put like this because it is not equal. Okay, just I put for the sake. So here 4 sides only. 4 sides means what is the meaning? Sum of measure. Sum of the measures of interior angle is equal to, or I can tell sum of interior angle is equal to how much? Sum of interior angle
60.
equal to, yes, 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 degree. So 360 degree. So see, Alden told 540. If it is 5 sides, then it was correct only. But that's why I told you need to count it. But by seeing itself, it look like a 5 side. That is there. They are giving like that, whether you are checking or not, like that. So this is 4 sides only. So 360 is the sum of interior angle. Now you can do 50 degree plus 100
plus 130
hmm,
plus 120.
120 degree plus
X.
very good, equal to 360 degree. Now you can able
Ma'am, X is equal to 60 degree.
yes, because when you add 50 plus 130 plus 120, you will get 260.
60.
So 360.
Ma'am, is there a
No,
property for
300.
this? Like,
Right?
is there a property?
Sorry?
Is
Angle,
there a property for
angle
For
sum.
what?
some property? Yes, ma'am. That's it. I just wanted to ask.
Angle sum property. That is when I add all the angles.
Angle some property done, ma'am.
So 50 plus 130 plus 120 is equal to 300. So 360 minus 300 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So x is equal to 60 degree. Got it? That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Next for this one. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So it is a pentagon.
540 degree.
Wait. Here, what we need to find? We want to find the value of x. Okay. So x is what type of angle? Interior or exterior angle? It is
exterior.
exterior angle. So what is the sum of measures of exterior angle? Irrespective of the number of sides, sum of exterior
It will
angle
always be 360.
360. Sum of interior angle equal to 540.
540.
But sum of exterior angle is equal to 360, irrespective of number of side. Okay, irrespective of number of side means if it is a 4-sided polygon, if it is a 3-sided, if it is a 5-sided, if it is a 6-sided, whatever it is, sum of exterior angle will be equal to 360. That is the meaning. Okay, so here I have 70 degree as the exterior angle plus have x degree as the exterior angle plus 60 degree as the exterior angle plus here they have mentioned only square.
Ma'am, 90.
90 degree. Very good. Is it correct? I counted every angle? No. I
No, ma'am, 90 degree there.
yes, this 90 degree as well. They have not put square. Okay, so are you counting or not? They want to check. That's why. But this is also 90 degree only. Why it is 90 degree?
Ma'am,
Because
because linear pair.
very good. It is inside is 90 degree. According to linear pair, 180 minus 90, so 90 degree. So one more 90 degree.
Extra angle property.
Yes, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so x is equal to, you want to add everything. 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 70, 310.
310.
Yes,
Ma'am,
so
so 360 minus 310.
very good. That is equal to 50. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Ma'am, exterior angle property, right?
No, actually exterior angle property, no.
Ma'am, there.
Wait. I will tell you why. Because angle sum property and exterior angle property we have studied for triangle, Alden. Okay, not for quadrilaterals. Okay, so
Oh,
that's why I told here also angle sum property we are not talking about. Okay, angle sum property is for only triangles, and exterior angle property is also for the triangles. I will again tell you what is angle sum property and what is in exterior angle property. Listen. This is a triangle, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, here I have A, here I have B, here I have C. When I add all the angles A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, that is called as angle sum property. Understood?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I want to find the angle outside. Okay, that is, I need to find the measure of D. Understood? So,
Yes.
D is the exterior angle. So, what will be the measure of D? So, D will be equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This is interior opposite because this C is near to D, right? So, that is linear pair. So, C plus D is equal to what? 180 degree.
180.
That is called linear pair. Linear means line. So linear pair. Whereas D is equal to A plus B. This property is called exterior angle property. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That will not come for a quadrilateral and all, no? Only for this triangle. So for the triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Clear?
Ma'am, it'll also work for isosceles triangle, right?
All type of triangle it will work.
And also, ma'am, then for quadrilaterals, there's no property. Just you have to just do it.
No, for the yes, for a quadrilateral and all, what I told is how to find the sum of interior angle, how to find sum of exterior angle, how to find one angle. Like that we studied yesterday. Na? That has no name and all.
Okay,
Okay.
just do it.
Just you need to write sum of angles in a sum of interior angles in a triangle. Sorry, in a quadrilateral or in a polygon is equal to
Yeah.
minus 2 into 180. That's it. That have no name like exterior angle property, interior angle property, nothing like that. You are
Ma'am, for the
studying.
first one, like that 50, 130, 120x, it's sum of interior angles, right?
Yes, sum of interior angles is equal to like 360 degree. That's
360.
okay. If you told angle sum, no problem. That's why I told okay like that. But it is no, we are not studying about quadrilaterals or other polygons properties. So you are only studying about triangle till 10th grade. More like you are studying this sum of interior angle of a polygon, sum of exterior angle polygon only you are studying. Okay. Other than that, nothing you are, yes, you have theorems and all. It is coming in 9th and 10th only, quadrilateral and all, some theorems will come. More we will concentrate on triangles. Okay. So
Yes,
children.
ma'am. Ma'am, if in exam, like if we just like write it, will ma'am cut marks or something? But I won't write it, just asking.
No. They will sometimes ask you the question like find the angles using suitable properties like that. If the question comes like suitable properties, then you need to write. Other than
So
that,
angles and property and all.
ah, ah,
Like then you have to write angles and property.
yes, for triangle.
Okay.
For triangle.
Got it.
But because if you are writing for polygon and all, if you write wrong, then you will not, ma'am will, you got the answer, but still she will score off, no, if you wrote wrong. That's why I'm telling don't write anything. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, measure, find the measure of each means one exterior angle of a regular polygon of 10 sides. So regular polygon means what is the meaning? All sides and
Ma'am, like
all angles will be equal. That is the meaning.
equal.
So what will be the sum of exterior angle?
180.
180.
No.
No, 10 sides. So
No.
8 into 180.
See, both of you are making mistake. It is exterior, not interior.
Oh, oh,
Ah, sum of exterior angle is 360 degree.
360.
So each exterior angle means how will it come? How many sides we have? 10 sides, right? So
10
one
sides.
exterior angle is equal to 360 degree.
360
360.
divided by 10. Yeah, yeah.
10, 36 degree. That's it.
36. That's it. Okay.
So don't confuse exterior and interior that much. Whatever I am telling, that only study, children. Don't go think beyond. Sum of exterior angle equal to 360 degree. So one exterior angle equal to 360 divided by 10, that is 36 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just for 1 second, ma'am. Let me just write it.
I'm recording now. I will send to
Okay.
you. In the parallelogram ring, find all the other angles. So this, what is this? This quadrilateral is a parallelogram, right? Parallelogram, what are the properties of angles? Opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So here with this angle N,
70.
70 degrees.
70 degree. This is opposite
Opposite.
angle. Next, what will be this angle I?
Ma'am, 180 minus 70 because adjacent angles are supplementary.
Supplementary equal to 110 degree.
G is equal to 110 degrees opposite.
Opposite. So in this question, you need to write all the properties. Whatever you are telling me orally, that you need to write. Okay. So when
Okay.
you are writing first angle n equal to 70 degree, you need to write here. Opposite angles are equal. Understood? Then if you are finding angle I is equal to 110 degree, then also you need to write how you found 180 minus 70 equal to 110 because adjacent angles are supplementary. Clear that everything you need to write that then ma'am will give full mark. Next, the following figures runs and guns are parallelogram. Find the value of x and y. Here they have given you what diagonals as well, right? So we need to think about the diagonals of a parallelogram property. How will be the diagonal of a parallelogram? Diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. What is the property you need to think? Then accordingly you need to apply because for each one it will differ, right? So that's why this question comes. Understood?
Yes.
So here we know like opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, but what about diagonals?
Ma'am,
uh,
yes, ma'am,
Diagonals of
ma'am,
tell ma.
ma'am, the diagonals like bisect each other equally also, ma'am. Like so, S. Suppose we can put O there, like in the center, ma'am. Here is O. So, ma'am, SO is 20 degree. I mean, SO at 20, and so OU will Y plus 7 is equal to 20 degree, right?
Hmm. No, I
So
didn't
and
hear you. Wait. Okay. So here, the diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal, right? Diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal. As you told, we can put at the center O. So diagonals bisect each other is,
bisect.
yes. So that is the property we are going to apply. Diagonals bisect each other.
Each other.
Okay, so bisect means equal. So that means OS is equal to OU. What is OS? 20 equal to what is OU? Y plus 7 they have given. So from that we can able to find the value of y equal to 20 minus 7 that is equal to 13. Okay, now next, we need to take like another diagonal OR. OR is equal to ON. These diagonals also are equal. Bisect each other means they are also equal. Here this is equal to this. So OR is equal to 16, ON equal to x plus y. Already we know the value of y. So we can apply x plus y is 13 equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3. So that is the answer. Okay, we understood the value of x and y. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next. Next also properties of parallelogram only in the next figure, because this is also parallelogram. So here which property we are using? Opposite sides are equal. We are using that property. Okay, so opposite sides are equal. So here what are the opposite side? GU and SN. They both are opposite sides. GU is equal to 3y minus 1 equal to SN equal to 26. From this we are able to write 3y equal to minus 1 goes to the other side. It will become plus 1. So 26 plus 1. So y is equal to 26 plus 1 is 27 divided by 3, that is equal to 9. We got it. Now, to find the value of x, we want to take another two sides. Nu equal to Sg. Nu equal to 18 and Sg equal to 3x. From that, we were able to understand x is equal to 18. This multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it will become division. 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. Here they have not told any units, so we are not writing units. You can write like this. If the units is not given, you can write like 13 units, 3 units, then 9 units, and 6 units, because they have not mentioned meter, centimeter, nothing. Sometimes they will mention that as well. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is linear equation in one variables. Um, Questions. First one. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Okay. What is the difference between last year also you studied three consecutive numbers like that you have studied. Here they have mentioned integers. Why they have mentioned integers means suppose if the answer is negative also it can be correct, because integers means positive or negative, right? So positive integers also we know, negative integers also we know. So three consecutive integers means 1, 2, 3. They are consecutive. Okay. But we don't know what are the numbers. So we will take it as you can take either like your ma'am gave us x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay.
Yes.
Or you can take as x minus 1, x and x plus 1. Like that also you can take. Whatever it is, you can take according to your convenience. Okay, so why I took x minus 1, x and x plus 1, I will tell you. There is, you know, the predecessor and the successor, right? So 5 is my number means, what is the predecessor of 5? 5 minus 1, right? I can write 4. 4 means 5 minus 1 is 4. So I can write 5 minus 1. And successor means 5 plus 1. Okay, that's why I have taken x minus 1, x and x plus 1. The sum of these integers, that is add up to 51 means sum of these integers. So x minus 1 plus x plus 1, that is equal to 51. That is the meaning. Here minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So that means 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to 51 divided by 3. 51 divided by 3 is 1 3 is 3, 4 5 21. 7 3s are 21. So 17 is my one of the number. So what are the other numbers? Other numbers are x minus 1, that is 17 minus 1 16, and x plus 1 17 plus 1 18. So my numbers are 16, 17 and 18. See, same answer only we got here also. So you can either take x, x plus 1, x plus 2, or you can take x minus 1, x, x plus 1. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. I did. I got the same answer also.
Okay. Yes, Fatin? Okay. Can we
Yes,
do
ma'am.
the next one? Next, sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So, in an 8 multiplication table or any multiplication table, how will it come? See, here if I have 4 multiplication, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Means every number I am adding by 4. That is the meaning, right? Add by 4 I am doing. So same like that here, if it is 2 multiplication table means add by 2. 8 multiplication table means add by 8. That is the meaning. So each number consecutive numbers have a difference of 8. So I can take the numbers as, in the previous question, we have taken x minus 1, x plus 1. So here we will take x minus 8, x and x plus 8. Fatin understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is a multiple of, for example, if the question they are asking like what sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 means, how will you take x minus 7, x plus 7? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is consecutive number multiples of 6 means x minus 6, x plus 6. So
X plus 6.
how the question comes, you need to take accordingly. That's it. Now sum, right? So that means x minus 8 plus x plus 8 is equal to 888. Now minus 8 plus 8, 0. It get cancelled. So you will get 3x is equal to 888. So x is equal to 888 divided by 3. That is 2 threes are 6, 28. Then 28 means 9 threes are 27. So 9 threes are 27. Then 1 balance 18. 6 threes are 18. Yes, ma?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
So now you need to find the other numbers. X minus 8, that is 296. 296 minus 8. And x plus 8, that is 296 plus 8. So that is equal to 4, 8, and 2. So 284 you will get. And next number you will get 296 minus 8. Then here you will get 296 plus 8. Okay, sorry. 16 minus 8 is 8. No, not 4. Sorry. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 8. Then 2. Correct. Then 296 plus 8 will be 304. So our numbers are 290, 288, 296 and 304. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. I also got the answer.
Next. Solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 7. How will you solve? So 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 7. First, all x take to one side, all the constants takes to RHS. So when this x comes to LHS means 2x plus x will become minus x. And 7 is in its place. Minus 3 when it goes...
Ma'am, can I do it?
No, listen. 7 plus 3. So 2x minus x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. So answer is 10. Okay.
Got it.
Next question is 2 bracket x minus 2 plus 3 equal to 4x plus 9. Here since I have bracket, first open the bracket. Okay, so 2 bracket x will become 2x. Then I have a subtraction sign, put the subtraction sign. Then 2 into 2 will become 4 plus 3 equal to 4x plus 9. After doing this step, after opening the bracket, take all the x to LHS and all the constants to RHS. So 2x and plus 4x goes to the other side. It will become minus 4x. 9 is in its place and minus 4 plus 3 Okay, you can do, if you want, you can do one more step, or you can take to the other side directly also. So minus 4 goes to the other side, it will become plus 4, and 3 goes to the other side, it will become minus 3.
Negative 5.
2x, 2x minus 4x equal to minus 2x, and 4 minus 3, 1, plus 10, plus 9 equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 divided by minus 2 equal to minus 5.
Ma'am,
Clear?
we can do minus 10 divided by 2, right? Because denominator cannot be minus.
Denominator also can be minus. In this case, denominator only minus. 10
So
divided
we can
by,
put the denominator minus. So like,
yes,
because I did like 2 negative 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to negative 10 by 2 is equal to negative 5. Is
10
that
by
correct?
minus 2 and minus 10 by 2 both are equal only.
Okay, so it's correct. Okay.
That's why you can put like that. But here 2 only having minus. That's why I put like that. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Solve 2 by 3 minus y equal to 3 by y plus 1. So if the question comes like this, you need to first cross multiply. That is, the denominator from LHS will become numerator in RHS. Denominator in RHS will become numerator in LHS. So it will become 2 bracket y plus 1 equals 3 bracket 3 minus y. Now open the bracket. 2 into y will become 2y plus 2 into 1 will become 2 equal to 3 into 3 becomes 9 minus 3 into y equal to 3y. Now take, what is the next step? Fatin.
Um, um, um,
Then not listening. Al then, what is the next step?
Ma'am, after that, ma'am, you have to take the constant to the right hand side and take the like terms to the left hand side. So 2y plus 3y is equal to 9 minus 2.
Hmm. Very good. See, Fatin understanding all the variables terms, that is like terms, as he mentioned. It will be like term only now because you are studying only single variable. So all that to the one side, LHS, and constants to RHS. Every question, how many questions? Every questions I am telling the same thing only. 2 plus 3, 5. 5y equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So y is equal to 7 divided by 5. This all questions we have already solved while doing the textbook exercises. Okay, go through it again. Next. Next question, Fatin, tell. Sum of three consecutive multiples of 6 is 666. Find the multiples.
ma'am, so x minus 6, x plus 8. 6.
I couldn't understand. Can you repeat?
Ma'am, x, comma, no ma'am, first is x minus 6,
Hmm.
okay, x plus 6.
Correct. Okay. So x minus 6, x and x plus 6. Then what will be the step? Al, then what will be the next step?
Ma'am, after that, consecutive of 6. Ma'am, after that, you have to add of them, all of them. So x minus 6 plus x plus 6
Equals?
equals 666.
What will be the
Ma'am,
next step, Fatin?
Ma'am, 3x.
Very good.
ma'am, I
Three.
have a question.
Ah,
Ma'am, what did you get for the third one?
5 by 7.
So,
Okay. 5 by 7.
So 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0. It equal to 666. So x is equal to 666 divided by 3. That is equal to 222. Okay. So what are the answers? Our answers are 222 minus 6, 222 and 222 plus 6. Correct? So like that you need
yes.
to do 222 minus 6 is 216, then 222 and 222 plus 6, that is 228. So don't forget, okay, to subtract. Instead, if you do all the addition means you will get wrong answer. And don't discuss this with other kids so that they are telling one thing, you are telling one thing, you get confused. Okay. So I told in a different way because the calculation will become very easier. Okay, instead of making it complex. Okay, so make it this way means study this way only. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is finished. This worksheet is finished.
Ma'am, it's our wish, ma'am, right? If you want to stop it by 7 by 5,
7 by
we
5
can stop
also,
it.
yes, 7 by 5 also fine because the question is not in decimal. If the question is coming in decimal, your answer should be in decimal. Okay. If the question is coming in mixed fraction, your answer should be in mixed fraction. Since it is a normal fraction and we are not focusing on decimal or fraction, you can stop 7 by 5 also fine. But if the answer is, for example, instead of this answer, if the answer is 35 divided by 5, okay, then don't stop it here. Then teacher will not give you mark because 35 divided by 5 is what?
Divisible.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's 70. Ma'am, it's 7.
7.
It's
It is
divisible.
completely divisible and we will get a whole number, right? That's why in that particular case, you need to do solving. And also if it is, for example, 35 divided by 40, it is not divisible, but still you can divide with a common factor, right? So both of them are divisible by 5 divided by 5. So you will get what? 35 divided by 5, 7. 40 divided by 5, 8. So 7 by 8. Like that, you make it simple. That is important. That is always writing in the lowest fraction is important. Clear? But if it is 7 by 5, further you can't do means you can stop like this or you can do convert to decimal according to the time you have left with. Okay? Because if you did 7 by 5 also, teacher is going to give you mark. So no need to waste time for this further. Instead, you can do the next question. That is a wise choice. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So next we have left with only one sheet, that is reinforcement. Okay. Hmm. Okay. First question. Solve the equations. 3x minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 5. So first, what will we do? Tell me.
The 3x
Very.
plus um
Hmm.
ma'am 3x
Hmm.
plus 2x
No, plus 2x. When it goes to the other side, it will become minus
minus
2x equal to,
5 plus 7.
very good, 5 plus 7. Minus 7 goes to the other side, it will become plus 7. Next step, 3x minus 2x is?
Ma'am, 5x
Oh,
equals to
it is subtraction, Fatin. So 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 1. If it is addition, then it is 5. But this is 3x minus 2x, that is x equal to 5 plus 7, 12. That's it. Answer finished.
Ma'am, can I check my answer because I already completed this?
You can add them, but I don't have time. You just listen correctly. Okay? I am sending the recording. You can check later also. We don't have much time.
Okay. Ma'am, first one is 12.
Next question. If 2 bracket x plus 3, so 2 bracket x plus 3 equal to 18. Find the value of x. Here, 2 bracket x plus 3 means it is multiplication is the meaning. So multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it will become division. X plus 3 is equal to 18 divided by 2. That is equal to 9. Now, x is equal to plus 3 goes to the other side, it will become minus 3. So, 9 minus 3 equal to 6. That's how we can able to find. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Next question already we have done. Okay, sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 already we have done. Now, sum of 2 consecutive even numbers. In this case, I am telling one more thing. If the question is sum of 2 consecutive or 3 consecutive, whatever it is, 2 consecutive even numbers or 2 consecutive odd numbers. In both the cases, okay, in both the cases, you need to take the numbers as x minus 2, sorry, x and x plus 2. You can take x minus 2 also, but you just simply take this. This is easy. X and x plus 2. Understood? X and x plus 2. First number is x, second number is First number is x, second number is x plus 2. Even if it is even or odd, both the cases same only. If the question is coming like 3 consecutive means you can take x minus 2, x, x plus 2. Understood? Like that you take. Now in this question, we have only 2 consecutive even numbers. So we can take like x and x plus 2. So x plus x plus 2 is equal to 30. That is the meaning. X plus x will become 2x. 2x is equal to plus 2 goes to the other side. It will become minus 2. 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is what? 28. So x is equal to 28. Multiplication goes to the other side. It will become division. So divided by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 4. So our answers are 14 and 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2 is what? 16. So 14 and 16. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. This one.